But we're gonna do a carb clean, throw it in the supersonic cleaner, the ultrasonic cleaner, and let's see how bad this carb is, how dirty it is. Okay, so after pulling the bowl off, this looks pretty bad. There's literally no oil. This is all gas. So usually when it's green, there's water in the carb. But we're gonna take all this apart, get all this ready to be rebuilt. We'll see if we can recover it, see if we need to buy anything. I would prefer a brand new carb kit, but I don't know where to buy one. So we're gonna try to save as much parts as we can on this.